We are on board the brand new Explora Journeys ship. We are currently on Explora 1 and it is absolutely stunning, but this is going to be a room tour in an Ocean Terrace room. There are the most Ocean Terrace rooms on board compared to any other suite on board. So let's check it out, let's see what it has to offer, and let's get out and let's live a little. We were in suite 6037. Welcome to our room. It's pretty darn nice. So starting right here at the front, you have your temperature control for the room, you've got your light switches, everything you need. And little tip on the light switches, if you hold them down, it makes the room all bright instead of like a night mode. You do have to put your key card in here to access all of the lights, but it's nice. You've got two little hooks, a massive mirror right here, so you can see yourself before you go out and see how you look.
You're very tiny, so it doesn't show the massiveness of it.
Well, then it should show it more.
It's probably like a 6'6" mirror.
It's big, and it's like probably 4 feet wide. It's a nice size mirror. Great to see your outfit. And then if you head this way, probably my favorite part for this size of a suite, you've got amazing hanging space, even longer hanging space, your robes, your slippers. This
has got to be the highlight.
I wish I brought more jewelry and sunglasses just so I could fill this up.
Emma wants this in our house now.
But it's beautiful, and then you could see through it, and then we've got a bunch of extra storage in here as well.
Ample storage in this room.
Okay, now this I haven't opened up yet, but from what I've read, there should be a Dyson hairdryer in here. And there is!
I don't know what that means.
I cannot wait to try this out.
Well, then they cost a lot of money.
They are expensive, so you've got, oh, it's hefty. So you've got the Dyson hairdryer, and then in case for any of the women watching, if they need the hairdryer,
hey,
you've got this to
not
blow
just the women. I use that to do my hair.
Fine. You've got this to blow your hair out, and then you have a really nice big diffuser as well. Okay, pause. So you have a Euro plug, a normal plug, and then this is your outlet to turn the lights on for the lovely mirror. You've got a nice little seat here with your Dyson hair wrap. Good counter space to leave your makeup on. I can't wait to use this. Okay, now let's check out the bathroom. It's a little small and a little tight, but surprisingly big at the exact same time. So come on in. So this is your bathroom. You've got a nice sink, plenty of counter space. You have their brand name hand wash and lotion. You've got some shower caps, nice. Got some little cotton pads and Q-tips, always helpful to have. And then Jack's got to come all the way in for this one. Really large, nice shower, upgraded amenities with your shampoos and your hair conditioner. Little seat here, or looking to shave your legs, and towels. And you've got what, like a 2-3 inch step up just for anybody with mobility?
Yep, accessibility seems pretty good, other than it doesn't have any handrails. Now they may have some rooms, one down there, but it doesn't have any as you're getting in. Maybe some of the rooms do, but this one does not.
Correct. Okay, let's go check out the rest of the room. Okay, so first you have this nice little display, just nice little extra touch with some decorative pieces, and then you come on in here.
And this is in case you forget how to count while on your cruise. 1, 2, 3. Got it.
And then in case you forget what you look like, you got a larger than life mirror here with a nice countertop, nice big bed here. This I'm excited for. So you've got your nightstand, little night light down there, but do have a wireless charger.
And it works!
And it works. How fun is that? And then you have a USB-C and a USB, and then all your outlets and stuff there. Oh, and this little thing I like as well. It's a little pillow that you put on your bed if you do not want your sheets replaced, so it's more eco-friendly. Big thumbs up. We've got a nice little book here. Got some fancy binoculars.
Poppy would be going nuts right now.
Oh, they seem nice. Let's see. they're definitely strong binoculars. They are really zoomed in. Okay, and then as we make our way down this way, you've got your in-suite dining.
Which is included in the room.
That has some amazing things like poke bowls and sandwiches, soups, salads,
Pretty
burgers
extensive.
from the grill, pasta. Got a lot of options. Just some of your safety things. In each room, you also get a complimentary beverage.
You get a complimentary bottle of wine and a liquor bottle of your choice based on the selection.
So that's awesome. We've got some water that they refill every day for you. When we came in, we got a nice bottle of champagne, some little treats, and then we have this beautiful, lovely couch. It's actually very comfortable. It feels like it's like memory foam. It feels kind of stiff, and then you sit in it and you kind of like molds to you a little bit. It's nice.
Hold on, you want to tell them something super cool about what's right behind you?
Okay, pause for a second and just see if you can figure out the cool thing about this piece of artwork. Basically, read the titles and you'll figure it out.
And I'll give you a hint. The Explorer set sail at dawn. One of the things we really liked about MSC Yacht Club, this divider, it kind of separates the room slightly. It's not a huge addition, but it just gives a little something that the other ones don't.
Now onto the cabinetry over here. So underneath the very large TV, you've got some more storage. Nice drawer space.
Wait, hold on. Open that one on the left up again. Top drawer.
Oh, ooh, fancy.
That looks like a laptop safe.
Ooh, and it even has a little thing for jewelry. So if you're traveling with some really nice fancy jewelry.
Or if you buy a Rolex at the Rolex store.
Yes, there is a Rolex here. So it's nice, like, drawer safe.
Definitely big enough for a laptop.
You could fit a smaller laptop. You definitely couldn't fit a huge one. I'll check later. I brought mine. I'll see if my 14, 15-inch one fits in here.
Bets on if it fits. Jack says 100%.
Depth-wise, yes. I'm not 100% sure square-wise. This cabinet is more of your beverage cabinet. So you've got some extra glassware up here, your coffee.
I believe those slide out too.
Tea. Ooh, they do. Fancy,
to make it
fancy.
super. So you have your own butler's pantry in your little state suite.
Nice little tea, espresso glasses, coffee glasses. You have a wine opener in case you need to open anything. And then in this one, you have your coffee maker, a kettle, and then a little thing if you need some ice. And then at the bottom here, we've got the mini fridge. This is replenished daily. It is included. You've got some nice juices, sodas. You got some Heineken in there. No bar of 12 bar own like you did on MSC, but
no, but you can request some additions if you would like.
Okay. We'll look into that and tell you in the future us. Now let's check out this awesome balcony that I'm actually pretty excited for. Typically, we're not huge like sit out on the balcony, enjoy people.
Because you're married to a ginger.
Yeah, I'm married to somebody who can't go into the sun or they burst into flames. And on this cruise, you're going from LA to Vancouver, and it's supposed to be kind of cold. It's supposed to be in like the 50s. So maybe we'll use it, we'll see, but
we may use it because it's perfect weather for a ginger.
yeah, it is kind of nice weather to like cozy on up. But first off, you have a lovely, very large table, which would be great for your breakfast or just snacks with a cup of coffee in the morning. 2 very comfortable chairs, and then my favorite part is this lounger, which, first off, if you're 5 foot or like 5'3" or 4, you fit absolutely perfectly on this sucker and do not like anything bigger. But it is very comfortable, fits this balcony perfectly, just kind of makes...
I feel like every room needs this.
It's not a huge balcony by any means, but it just kind of makes it feel complete and really nice and upscale. I'm a fan
And it's
of this.
almost maybe big enough for 2 people to sit next to each other.
Yeah, I mean, if you're not big people, you could definitely fit 2. Like me and Poppy could 100% fit here. 2 adults
You're
might
both
be a
micro people though.
little tight. 2 adults might be tight, but definitely comfortable.
Yeah. This is our view right now. Bridge in San Pedro.
So we were putting stuff away, and I knew there'd be things that we would find in here while doing so. we may be too fancy for this, but it looks like you put your shoes in this and then you have a nice little place to hold your shoes.
Yeah, we're way too...
We're not that fancy. But I guess it's a nice thing to have, especially if you have like a really nice pair of shoes. Pretty nice. Okay, Jack was right.
Sometimes in life you win. Emma's laptop fits with about 1.5 inches to spare on the safe. What did we forget, Emma?
I just realized something else. The floor is heated. How nice is that? That is very nice touch when you come out of the shower or just in the morning in general. Very nice touch. Now that we've been in this room for about a week now, let's just talk about a few things that we think could use a little bit of improvement, as well as some things that we love. First off, not a huge deal, but the bathroom mirror, it fogs up really bad. I know you can put like heaters in the mirror so you can still see, would be a nice little touch. And then when you open the door, it does fog up the makeup mirror a good amount. So just tiny little things that they could work on. This ship is so new, they'll figure it out. Now for my biggest pet peeve. So absolutely love the fact that there is the Dyson in here. Minor issue though. You'll see. Go to plug it in and it hits this light and you have to finagle it to keep that light on. Slight design flaw. Just because the button for the light switch is right next to the actual plug. Now for a normal room, at night you typically just turn the lights off, but I will say they did a really nice job at keeping this on like a night mode with having little light soft accents. I just thought it was worth noting here because it made it feel very fancy. And then my favorite thing is the little nightstand is motion activated with a little night light at night, so that's just another nice little touch. And then just some interesting info about Ocean Terrace. The sizes is typically 377 to 301 square feet or 35 to 28 square meters. And your terrace is 75 square feet or 7 square meters. And this type of room is the largest type on the entire ship. As you get into some of the bigger rooms, you get a little less of them. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. I will be showing a little bit of the ship as well and just some of the amazing areas, since usually when we do a ship tour for suites, we show you the suites area, but for Explora, every single room on here is a suite, so kind of the whole ship is for you. I will have a full ship tour coming out as well, but for right now, here's just a sneak peek of some of the gorgeous spaces on the Explora one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, get out and live a little. Bye, guys. Larger than life mirror here with a nice countertop.
The bed's there, the mirror's there. Okay. That's a very big bed.
Okay, this is YouTube and family friendly.